Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this Bluetooth speaker. Now my dad recently bought a new Asus ZenBook Duo Pro or something like that, I don't really remember the name, and they give us this Bluetooth speakers, and this looks like the mushroom from Super Mario Bros. Let me show you. Wait. I don't know if you can see it, but this one, it look like this, right? I forgot. No, it's the other one. I forgot the name, but whatever. Now let's just unbox this. Hithot. Hithot. I don't know how to read this. 2 hours of playtime. Okay, pretty long. I'm not really an expert in this kind of speakers or some, this kind of things. And it's compatible with tablets, smartphone, laptops, and not desktops. And suck in this bracket. It's a mini Bluetooth speakers, built-in linoleum, I don't know, battery, high quality amplified sound, very high quality. Let's test it out later. Bluetooth version 2.1. Is Bluetooth free right now? I forgot. Oh. Okay, it's using a micro USB. Okay, whatever. Let's just open it up. It's some kind of nonsense. Some frequency. I don't know what are these. Let's open this up. Dingus. Open you dingus. Okay. What? I'm so confused. What's this? Okay. Okay, let's take this out. The whole. This is the worst kind of plastic ever. And it's the thing right here. I know how to get this out and open this. Oh, they're showing me user manual. Okay, we doesn't need this. Who needs manuals? And it's a micro USB cable and nothing else here. And yeah, it's the Bluetooth. How can I get this dingus out though? Huh. This? Okay, got it. Let's close. Put this dingus back. Okay, now this is the Hithot thing. Did it just turn on? I see some light right here just now. Okay, it's soft right here, of course. You can stick it. I can't. What? Can I stick here? Like, can I hold it here? And then it's like this. I'm using the exact same phone as. Does that work? It worked. Okay, it works. But how I forget? Okay, we got it. Now these are his eyes. It's some kind of buttons, and these are on and off button. And what? What's that? Wait. And then now what? Have pair. Okay. Is it pairing? Let me get my phone real quick. Now, let's see. If it works. So Bluetooth, and let's go to Bluetooth settings. No. Is this HH1? Oh, it is. Oh, connected. Okay, let's play something. Let me see. We're back. Scarlet Fire, Dangpots, my favorite YouTuber. Okay, so let's just let's use this Scarlet Fire. Oh my gosh. Can you hear that? It actually sounds pretty decent. It actually sounds pretty nice. Okay. Well, what does this 2 buttons do? Is it like go to the last song? Oh! Oh! What is this? Okay, it already skips to the next song. Look at this. Just go back to this one. And then when I press this, it goes to the next song. When I go press this, it goes back to the last one. Okay. That's very cool. And okay. Overall, I think it's a pretty nice. I don't know. It's not cheap. I don't really know the price of it, but if it's cheap, I really recommend you to buy this. And yeah, it looks pretty nice. You can stick it on your phone like this, and then you can play songs very loud, and it has pretty decent quality. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time, and goodbye.